connecting OKX Spot and Futures to MetaTrader 5, which has been provided by the TradingFinder team. Traders can download the expert file from this section, and they can also read this page to learn about how the expert works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we run the expert file, and before running the file, we go to the Tools tab, then to the Options section, and then to the Expert Advisor tab, where we enable the option that is available at the very bottom. At the bottom section, we enter the URL link related to the OKX exchange here. You can copy this link from the website and paste it in this section, or simply enter www.okx.com here and then click the Confirm button. After that, I can run the expert in this section, and once the expert is currently and successfully running in the expert section, a message will appear indicating that the expert has started. It shows that 774 pairs related to spot and 25 pairs related to futures have been detected. From the Market Watch section, under Symbols, in the Custom section, I go into the OKX.F folder, where I can view and explore the different available pairs in this section. Here I can simply select the desired currencies that I want to work with. Spot currencies are displayed with the symbol S, and futures currencies are shown with the symbol F, respectively. I will run one of the symbols here. The BNB USDT symbol. I will open its chart in this section. In the lower section, we can see the message related to the execution of the file and the data feed here, indicating that it has retrieved 297 candles for us from the OKX exchange and displayed their data for us. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the exchange to MetaTrader 5, and by using it, we can conduct our analyses on this platform. In the Settings section under Inputs, there are options available for us where we can specify the number of candles that it retrieves and displays from the OKX exchange. In this section, we can set it from a minimum of 100 candles up to a maximum of 10,000 candles. The next section is related to when we open two or more charts of the same symbol and want their number of candles to be equal. That is, we have a single symbol, but we have opened different charts for it, and if this input is set to true, the number of candles displayed on each chart will be exactly 300. However, if it is set to false, the chart with the higher time frame will take the candles from the chart with the lower time frame, and then construct its own candles from them accordingly. For better understanding, I'll open another chart of the same symbol as a second chart, which will be shown to me with a plus sign. At the bottom section, we can see that it has fetched 297 candles for us and has received their data. When we open the chart, it runs for us in the 1 hour time frame, and we can very easily switch to our desired time frames. But at the time when I simply set the second option to false, and from my very first symbol, after opening a chart, I then open a second chart. If I want to change the time frame to a higher one, such as moving from a lower to a higher interval, it only displays a limited number of candles for me, rather than showing the full range I might expect. The number of candles it shows me in the 4-hour or daily time frame is based on the data from my first chart, and it constructs the candles accordingly. Here in the first chart, a total of 297 candles have been placed for me. Each candle on this chart represents the price movement over a 1-hour period. In the second chart, which displays data in the 4-hour time frame, there are 74 candles. These 4-hour candles are created by combining the data from 4 consecutive 1-hour candles, so each one shows the price action for 4 hours instead of just one. This approach helps to give a clearer overview of the market trends over longer periods. Also, in this particular case, if the second option is set to false, we can only switch to higher time frames and change the time frame as needed. However, we cannot switch to time frames that are lower than our first chart, and those lower time frames simply will not be displayed or available for us to select. Every tick that occurs on the OKX exchange is recorded based on its high, low, open, and close data, and the candles are subsequently created and displayed here. With each tick on the exchange, the prices are continuously updated in real time on the MetaTrader 5 platform, and a new candle is formed. This expert advisor receives real-time futures and spot market data through the official OKX API and displays them for us in the form of a price chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this expert advisor tutorial. We would be truly happy and grateful if you could kindly share your valuable comments and thoughtful suggestions with us in the comments section below. Thank you so much for your feedback.